Let's hear it for the great.
What the heck's taking him so long?
That's the cue.
Brennan. Nice. That was a good one. Did you clock out? Your girlfriend's out there waiting for you. Your girlfriend's out there waiting. Yeah? Yeah? Spleetus, Daywalker.
Watch it, look at this, you'll laugh. If it ever fucking loads. Danny has been replaced.
I'm gonna go home, grab that, and come right over.
You're gonna come right over?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, yeah, because that one chick has to dye her hair.
Are you gonna fuck her?
I'm not bringing her over like that.
Are you gonna fuck her?
I'm not bringing her over like that. She's not a friend. I'm not bringing her around.
Are you gonna fuck her? Fuck her right in the pussy.
Dude, I'll get you in. I'll get you in.
I know you don't give a fuck. I don't see you guys there. I'll see you there. Whew. Feels good to be back on the road on my bike. All right. What is up, you guys? This is Flying XJ6. Finally back with another video after, I guess what, 5 weeks? I don't know how well you can hear me. Well, I'll make the best of it. I'm definitely get me a nice mic for the GoPro. I know an external mic works better. I'm kind of yelling into the GoPro at the moment. I hope you guys can still hear me. Yeah, I just stopped over by work. So I thought me and the guys were going to play some basketball. Very excited for it. Man, you probably won't see that, but I'm going. Anyway, I was excited to play some basketball, but that ain't going to happen now, so we all decided just to go over to my buddy's house and get the fire pit started. Can you go any slower? Yeah, so we're gonna get the fire pit started, have a good old time. And hopefully nobody will be mad about it because it's gonna be an apartment complex. I don't see why people would be mad about that. I don't know how the angle view is on the GoPro either, because I had it on 1080p and it was just so freaking it's uploaded. Get going. Come on. Come on the screen. Damn, people. You are seeing now, first-handedly, how people drive in Boynton Normal, Illinois. There's a lot of dummies that drive in this town. Unfortunately. So, I deal with that crap every day. Especially since, you know, I'm riding a motorcycle too. So, people probably don't pay attention too much in the deep town. That's why I'm a huge fan of that sign, watch for motorcycles. I've been posting a lot of that shit up on my Facebook. I've had a couple buddies get some really bad accidents. Luckily they got away with just scratches and bruises. Nothing serious. So, it's a good thing. I'm glad they're fine. More people need to start paying attention to motorcycles, stay off the phones. Like, do not stand here playing on their cell phone while they're driving. It's so irritating. I mean, I'm not gonna flip shit on them just for being on their cell phone driving, but I'm going to say something too on that. I don't appreciate that, especially since I'm a motorcyclist. I don't want to see anybody else get hurt or another motorcyclist get hurt at all, because there's a lot of deaths from that. Almost every year, a lot of people die in a motorcycle accident. I don't mind it. It's a pretty nice townhouse. Here's my neighborhood right here. It's not a bad neighborhood at all. It's quiet at night, which I'm fine with. I like a quiet neighborhood. Well, except for when I come riding around, it ain't quiet no more. I'm sure you can tell in this video, my exhaust is kind of loud. I actually have an exhaust system on the way. hopefully I'll get it tomorrow. I'm gonna put it on. It's I do have a dual outlet exhaust, so it's a dual exhaust on this, which I love it. I love the dual exhaust on it. It's got a distinct sound to it and everything, but it's a homemade exhaust, and yeah, it's kind of bothering me now. I mean, I've got a lot of compliments for it because I made a homemade exhaust for my own motorcycle. You can just see it right there. Yeah, it's a dual inlet to a single outlet, so it's gonna be on the right side. It's a Yoshimura exhaust muffler, which, I mean, a lot of people say it's too quiet, but I've watched videos, especially on my bike. It's not that quiet. It's got a little bit of a sound to it, which is fine. Oh damn, clutch cable! I gotta fix that. So you can see my beautiful Pirelli tire. I gotta get this one fixed. But yeah, this is where I live. Not a bad place. This is my baby, right here, my baby. Treat this with a lot of respect. I'm gonna probably put a seat cover on this or replace the seat. If she doesn't look the greatest, I'm gonna get new plastics for it. At least right here in the tail. But this is my baby. Next to my CVR, may it rest in peace. I had to unfortunately get rid of it. Compression wasn't doing so well. I got it to start. It needs a complete overhaul on it, so